Hello, 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 everyone. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Hello, hello. How is everyone doing today? I had kind of a slow day. Yeah. Yeah, to be honest, nothing really interesting happened today. Doesn't help that my mood has been weird lately. But that's a topic for that's not a topic for the stream. You know, now that I remember, this game always gives me troubles with OBS. Hope it's not the same this time. Okay, here we go. Hey! Tiny, I saw that.
Holy crap, it's a Monday!
Not Monday. How you doing, Heini? Yep. Shit. There. It's not Wednesday either, it's not Friday either. Yeah. How you doing, Heini? Oh, what I haven't played this game in a while. This is going to be a disaster. How have I been? Could be better. Oh yeah, something interesting that happened today. I spilled a little bit of boiling water on my foot. Yeah. Where did I have? It's okay, it's okay. I've had worse. That's not a joke, by the way. I have a lot of experience with boiling water. Everything looks fine. Everything sounds fine. Well, the first thing, like, and the most notorious one is when I was like 5 years old, I think I was. I had an accident with a cup of tea. They left me unsupervised for a few minutes, and I spilled it on my arm. I still have the burn scars. Hey, wanna know something funny? I still need to drink my tea and my coffee with a little bit of cold water. The other one that I can remember is when my dad spilled boiling water on my head by accident. Look, I absolutely love that man, but he can be kind of clumsy. Everything looks fine. Thank you. Strange lilies have bloomed out of season, releasing miasma in Futamata that has caused crops to wither and people to starve. However, I don't believe this to be the work of yokai. Okatsu knows this area well. If it had been yokai, she would have already informed us. Though it pains me to say it, Lord Ieyasu's life at stake. I cannot afford any diversions. If you must go, William, go without me. I will be heading toward Hamamatsu. On your head? Yep. It was before we had hot water. He was helping me take a bath. He grabbed the wrong item and he spilled the boiling water on my head. Yep. The town of Futamata in Totomi province is where the Tenryu River and the Futamata River merge. This, in addition to its proximity to the highway, made it an invaluable location for the Tokugawa army. Although the powerful Takeda family once claimed the area, Ieyasu succeeded in taking it back. Futamata is also well known as the site of death of Ieyasu's eldest son, Nobuyasu. Damn. Yeah, I'm very prone to accidents. My god, why is the camera so slow? Oh yeah, this is the noise that you don't like. Wonder if I can. Happened once with a very hot coffee all over my back, it didn't left. Oh, nice. You're lucky at least. Yeah, I still have my I still have the burn scars of my on my arm. I remember they told that it was left that way because the scars started to grow under my skin. Yeah, the human body is funny like that. Scars can look cool though. Yeah, true. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Ow. Ow. Hello, sir. Can you stop showing your ass cheeks to me? Ow, ow. Oh god, I am definitely liking some practice on this game. Oh, I know the meaning of these flowers. They are red spider lilies. I think they represent death, and of course it's one of those wheels. Ow! Fucking hate you! Ow! Now just fucking die already! Ah. You too. You said everything looks fine, right? How the fuck did that not hit you? Oh my god, I'm playing so badly. Can I blame Fluffy for this? Oh, holy shit. And my back is starting to hurt again. Is this what is it how it feels to get old? This is going to be a mimic, isn't it? Oh, okay. Oh, that's what it feels when you shrimp. Look, my back demands it, okay? A matter of life or death. Stop shrimping. Okay, come here to my house and stop me, okay? Come on, do it, do it. What are you gonna do? Oh my... Wait, what do you mean, jockey? There's nothing here. Okay, jokes aside, I do think there's something wrong with my back. Or with the left side of my body at least. Or both. Because when I lift, I noticed that my shoulder hurts in a really weird way, as if my shoulder joint, I don't know, like move. It's kind of tough to explain, but hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. This is a mimic. Does this game even have mimics anymore? Bird! There you go. That's the way back to the entrance. Oh. Oh. I get it. Ow. Easy. Oh my god! Those people were already dead, and oh my god. Oh, my poor frame rate. Also, on the topic of frame rate, I was checking the task manager. There's a weird process that apparently is dedicated to record your games from Windows, and it was enabled, and that was taking like 30% of my GPU usage. Yeah. Thank you, Windows. Also, yeah, why does my back hurt so much? Hey! There's going to be something here, isn't it? Oh god. Not the fucking umbrellas. Hey! Ow! Oh god, this is annoying. Can I please have an arrow? Oh yeah, I did a side quest on this game, or a side mission, and like the plot of it was that I had to find some missing children, and the end was that the children became yokais. Yeah, just like those. Oh shit, he's going to turn. Easy.
わらじのあやかしとはこの地になぜ
Door seems to be locked. Ah, of course. Come on. Come on, kiddo. Come on. Yep. Come on. Easy. Anything interesting around here? Oh, hello, sir. Easy. Why did it sound like my game over with him? I'm not the only one who I'm not the only one who thinks that way, right? Okay, on the topic of redeems, I forgot to add the 100 bits redeem again. Hello, Mr. Buddha, do you wanna help me? Ow, 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 oh god, I'm gonna have to do that trip all over again. Ah. I'm going to blame you, Heini. But I can... Huh. Okay, what do we have here? Hello, sir. And go. Easy. Is he fucking naked? Oh, I mean, not naked. He wasn't wearing any pants, right? Or was it just my imagination? Oh shit, he saw me. Easy. I went out for a few seconds. No! Welcome back, Heine. At least you didn't see me kill the hot guy, I guess. Well, what do you say is a hot guy? Oh my god. Ow. Ow. What's that supposed to mean, huh? Look, we just have different tastes, right? Fell to death. Fell to death. Fucking Will, I fucking hate you. Why can't you just die? Oh shit. It is fucking annoying. Of course I hate it. There's no wheels on us on this chat, right? Wait, how would a wheels on even work? Yeah, now I'm wondering. How would a wheel sauna work? Like, I am not the only one thinking of this, right? Please tell me that I'm not the only one. Like, can somebody explain the logistics to me? Oh god, I backtracked. I need no. No pecs allowed. Only mine. Oh shit, he saw me. What do you mean no? Exactly, no. Oh shit, I forgot. I need to regain my my Amrita. You okay, buddy? You okay there? Oni man. Yeah, and I'm going to kill it. No, what do you mean no? He's trying to kill me. Yeah, I don't think that counts as a teenager. I do want to kill it though. Easy. How you doing, Heini?
この先のお寺まで行ければなんとか。
Hmm. Oh shit, another one of these. The big killer demon, he doesn't know better. He does know better! It's his fault for turning into a demon. That's actually the lot of the game, by the way. Oh! Oh, yep. Ow. Asshole. Okay, we have the kid that we have to beat the shit out of. Oh yeah, I forgot I have this. Easy. See guys, beating little children works. That is the moral of this game, right? Ow. Hey! I saw that. Hello, Ivan. How you doing? Oh, whoop. Oh! Come on. Easy. This door seems to be locked. Why am I not surprised? Just... I don't think my sword is good enough for that. So why is my frame rate suffering so much? Ooh. Oh! Sorry for that. Have you seen the new foray indie game that came out a few hours? No, wait, the what? The what? I'm interested here. What game? Oh god, my foot is starting to hurt again. I'm gonna blame Fluffy for that. Oh god, it's starting to hurt. Just Kuro playing it because I guess devs gave him it was default recital. Got it. Thank you. Set in an oriental fantasy world where the metropolis of Blue Scales faces turmoil after a long golden age. The mix of magic, modern and ancient technologies challenges governance while tension between humans, beastlings and dragons grow. In the shadows, a crisis looms. Huh. Oh god, that wolf is hot. Oh shit, the wolf is hot. Very story heavy, but it has hot forest. Yeah, I noticed that part. But I have played the dance games before. I mean, I am playing Legacy of Kain after all. Not the only hot character in the game here. Oh no. At least they know their audience. I'm sorry. I'm kind of tired. I'm an injured man too, so I'm gonna say a lot of nonsense today. Hey, stop with your woes. See my... Oh god. What do you mean I always say nonsense? I'm a very rational bear. Just for that, I'm gonna make you listen to the bagpipes again.
お地蔵様、私たちを
Jiso?
この地をお守りください。
Ah.
どうか。
Okay, here we go. Killed by Raven. Not the fucking Tengu. I got it. These ones are dangerous. Ah, fuck it. Oh shit. Come on, doggos. Come on, Fluffy. Help me. Not that great. Yeah, that is a smash too, but he's trying to kill me, okay? No help. What do you mean no help? Hi, babe. Okay, can somebody ban Kaini? Kodama! Look, he might be a binge, but he's my binge, okay? So, treat him properly. I still have the Agatha Along songs stuck in my head. Like, they're going to be stuck in my head for the rest of my life, I'm pretty sure. One of them is a mimic. Okay, does this game even have mimics anymore? I swear, they make me paranoid, and they remove those shits from the game. Then when I stop, When I stop worrying, they're going to introduce them again. Worldbringer, Lockbringer. Ooh.
若様が武田家と内通など織田の策略に決まっておるのじゃ。
Oda Nobunaga is dead, buddy. Oh my god, look at that back. Sorry, I don't know what took me over. Ow. Easy. Babe, can you please not stomp on my chat? I kind of need them. Come to the mine. Goodbye. Good luck. I love you. My beans too much and I can't help but give them my steak. Okay, fair. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. What the fuck was that? How did that not hit me? What? How did it not hit me? What? What's this? Kaini, that's going to be you after I'm done with you. The Ryuji Temple. I'm gonna leave that to the imagination, okay? Draw your own conclusions. What's that supposed to mean? That's for you to imagine. Oh, fuck. 30F, maybe? I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said that. Why did I put that in your mind? You're gonna go crazy now. Ow, stop stealing my... Stop stealing my energy. I need it. Fuck them kids. Shinkiku medicine, Sounders candle. And I still cannot open this door, right? Oh, never mind. What is that? Easy. Hello, Kodama. Goodbye, Kodama. Huh. That was surprisingly easy. Ow! Don't smash me. What? Excuse me? Did you see that? Did you see that? He didn't even touch me when he hit me with that. There's no way I reached the boss already. Do it again, I didn't see that. Skill issue. Hello, Legoshi. Who is that? Huh. His eyes are becoming a woman. Oh no. Oh shit. Ow! Shut up, Heini. Oh shit. Ow. Lady, please don't slam me. Only my boyfriend can do that. You always deserve a bonk, Tiny. Oh my god, holy shit. It's okay, Heini. It's a sign of love. Oh my god, my throat. Oh shit, I'm dead. Ow. Ow. I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. How do I just run? Ow. Is this the legendary pocket sand? Stop stomping on me. I am not even into women. You have the wrong target audience here. Oh god. Also, give me a second, I'm gonna take off my shirt. It's a little too hot here. I am not using you. You are going to be here. You are going to be here. Goodbye, spooky, scary skeleton. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, give me the doggos. Oh, fuck. I'm dead. No, 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 wrong item, wrong item. Run, 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 run. What is that? Oh god. Come, 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 come. Oh shit. Come on, doggos. Oh shit, I'm dead. I'm dead. What was the context of that one? Oh! Fuck! Give me the dog! Oh, that hit me anyways. Stop stomping me! Yeah, I'm dead. Ow! You know, I'm surprised nobody has said anything about the title. I worked hard on it. Ow. Ow. What the fuck? The game just ate my my block. Hi doggos. Ow. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Here we go. Fucking dog. Come on. Oh, God. It's okay, just take my time. Hello, hello, little kid. Fuck you, little kid. I'm feeling the title is a reference, but I don't know from where. Do you remember the Rick and Morty copy pasta? Yeah. My local news channel did a page talking about the new furry indie game. Wait, what? No fucking way. Why can't I do a keybox though? Up. Ow. This Caracol is a national news channel here. Yeah, but it's kind of wild that they did that. Stop! Just search the game and it's on there. Oh no! Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh god, so much for taking a shower, I guess. I really hope I can get my air conditioner soon. Oh no! Oh shit! Ow! Also, outbreaking coming in 3 minutes. What the fuck? It's been an hour already. Come on. Okay, there we go, 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 there we go. Oh shit! Ah! Oh god, I was doing so well on that one. Ow. Get better, nerd. Why don't you get better? Okay, I got what was important. Ow, fuck, I hate that attack. What? What? And we have an ad break. See you in 3 minutes. You know, I guess it's a good thing Suyan isn't here right now. And we're back. Also, sorry for the weird thing that happened a moment ago. I was testing a few things with OBS, and it stopped capturing the game for a second. How fucking difficult can it be to defeat a giant woman? This one, it's so good, even though it was an accident. the top. That is You know what? I have no idea what to say. Ow! Kinda, this is your fault. From now on, everything is your fault. What do you mean? I'm the streamer, I'm the authority here. So now, go. Come on, go accept the guilt. Go take the blame. Okay. This is 3-4 recital and first little company police are making actual games and not vision. I keep forgetting to use my magic. I'm dead. Use this magic. Okay. Okay, here we go, 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 here we go. Also, shut up, Heini. Ow. Ow. Oh, I'm gonna die. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Oh, I am so close. Also, I started to watch Buffy the Vampire Slayer. There's a lot of fun on that show that did not age well. Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Oh, I did it! Oh god, I did it! I did it! Wait, Nobuyasu? Himitsu! Oh god, this is difficult. How you doing? How you doing, Himitsu? 1 second.
どうしてかしら。侍は皆死にたがる。忠義のため、お家のためなんて。
Wild's waiting room? Yeah, me too.
あなたは恋人を追ってこの国に来たって聞いたわ。侍どもとは違うよね。
Yeah, he's white. Bonnie! Can I have him? Can I have him? Okay, we have Bonnie.
あいつは徳川の家を守るため愛した妻を殺し
I mean that he's different from other samurai. He's
保
white.
身のため息子をも切り捨てる血も涙もない男あいつは兄さんを殺した私も家康の娘大名に嫁がされそうになったけどあいつの駒に使われるのはまっぴらごめん
Oh?
家を捨て 私は忍びになった。
What?
あいつに会うんでしょ。私は先に江戸に向かうわ。
No, I want to play a Pokemon randomizer. I've been wanting to play one for a good while. The problem is that I don't know when. This is my Yokuto by a spirit position. We have Bonnie! We have a rabbit! We have a bunny! We have a bunny! How do randomizers work? So basically, you create a seed based on the game. Okay, so you have the game. You use a program to create like a special copy of it. That completely randomizes where the what Pokemon appears where or what attack they can learn. You can control what you can randomize. Spirits, Snow Globes, Ogress. Oh yeah, the Toad. Giant Toad, pronounced Giant Toad. Okay. Oh my god, that description. No, you cannot take him. Ew. Oh, it's Yokuto. Pronounced Yokuto in Japanese. Japan is home to many legends about the Yokuto. Said to be capable of great speed, some say that when lightning flashes across the sky, it is actually Yokuto traveling to Earth and back. Legend has it that they spent their time on the moon making mochi rice cake or medicine. Either way, these stories show them to have kind and caring spirits, always working to make something useful. In time, Yokuto came to be seen as the guardian of travelers, who would often venerate them to ensure safe passage. Oh yeah, we have the tiger! Hi there, the rat. Also, I need to share the rabbit. And I'm back. Ayakomori. Character director is Kintoki. Wait, Kintoki was in this game? What? Title. Can I get something? Nope. You have the chance to save for everything. Yeah, Heini, control yourself. Otherwise, I'm gonna control you. Wait, no, that sounds wrong. That sounds wrong. I didn't say anything. Dash speed, low attack, ninjutsu, and strong attack, key damage, attack damage, lock. Oh, I think this is the best one for me. Weight of the world? What is this? Wait, what? What do you mean level 0? William, we finally caught up with Lord Ieyasu. Soon we will meet with him and you can see what sort of man he is for yourself. During the Warring States period, military commanders frequently traveled from battlefield to battlefield, making it difficult to hold meetings at their castles. With the help of local monks and ninja, they began meetings in alternate locations. Thus, many discussions that will change the course of history occurred in temples instead of castles. That's the only but okay, that is fair.
表を上げい。
Is that a fucking
There's no way a
raccoon?
normal man could take this. It seems he's the real thing.
何か面白いものでも見えるかの。お主のこと、海賊と落とす者もおれば、まれびとと崇める者もおる。ここは一つ、お主の誠を聞かせてくれるか。
I told Ieyasu that I came to Japan in pursuit of Kelly, the man who stole Saoirse from me. And told him about Amrita as well.
It always breaks my brain when they go from Japanese to English and then go back.
守護霊を取り戻すか。ケリーとやらがわしを狙っておるとなれば現れるやもしれんの。半蔵ともども護衛も好きにいたせ。
ほっ。
じゃが戦のある限り霊石を狙う輩お主の守護霊を欲しがる輩はいくらも現れよ。のうアンジーよ。戦のないよ作れると思うか。
A world without war.
わしは作るぞ。その大義のため力を尽くしておる。お主は鬼を切るその力何のために使う？
I don't know, because they give me points and they let me level up.
I'd never thought about that.
まあよい。江戸へ向かうぞ。どこせ。
Wait, isn't his daughter going to Edo too? When it's in Spanish pronunciation, yeah. I was surprised about that when I noticed it. When I see Hein is going to take everything. Of course. You know, when I see the throne, all I can remember is the fucking orangutan that I put there. Who is the sexy evil man? I think it's Edward Kelly. Yeah, I think it was him. I will have to. I trust you now understand the depth of Lord Ieyasu's resolve. It is precisely because of who he is that I am proud to serve him. Now let us accompany him to Edo. Character directory? No, not this one. Kanso Katsu Kuroda Kuroda Tachibanaka, no. Ieyasu Fuku Tenkai Shima Dark. Yep, it's Edward Kelly. Don't mind me, I'm just looking at the important part. Hi Pollos, how you doing? Kelly has sealed Edo Castle's gate. We must quickly find another way in. I have an idea. Won't be pleasant, but desperate times call for desperate measures. Should I do a secondary mission or? Just looks like I'm getting closer to the end of the game. Nah, fuck it. En lugar de tener un camino a la felicidad, tiene un tatuaje que apunta a la felicidad. Oh god. I hope you understand Spanish because I am not gonna translate that. The city of Edo, located in the Musashi province, was once the center of the Hojo clan, Kanto domain. Ieyasu moved his base of operations there after the clan was annihilated in 1590. The small castle town quickly expanded its territory through filling in rivers and seaside. Ieyasu's frugal nature was reflected in the poor upkeep of the castle. Today, Edo is much better known by its modern name, Tokyo. Rumbico complaining it were men. Oh my god. Why do you guys let me say the things that I say? A 2 that points to happiness. Oh no. I like me to read. Pretty sure Fluffy is like 70% mold by now, so no, you shouldn't eat him, you're gonna get sick. From the other side. Ew. Are those sewers? Probably 70% what? Mold. You know, like the fungus. Oh, yeah, I have no idea how to fix it. He doesn't matter how much we wash him, he keeps getting growing mold. What the fuck is that? Need to shave Fluffy? Yeah! Oh shit, this one is good. Which brought back the new UI again? Wait, really? Oh my god, that was so loud! Oh god, my ears. You know, this place is unironically making me stinky. Ah, idiot. There's specific buttons so you can set the specific time. Wait, you didn't know? Remember I had... Weapons, armor, shotgun, projectiles, smithing, all items, usable items. Ow. Ow. Fucking die already. If I remember, the gimmick of this is that... Yeah. Whenever I heal, I start to throw up, so I have to be careful. Are they talking about me? You know, maybe Meryl should play this game. Please don't tell him that I say that. He has been quiet for too long. Did I kill it? I have no idea. Maybe. Tiny, you there? You alive? No, he's dead. Still alive, for better or worse. Oh, hello, sir. Goodbye. Did I actually make... Did I actually do 4 damage? What? What? No fucking way. Is there any Jean main here? You know, I've seen that Neshi has been playing Spider-Man on Steam, and now I want to play it. Ow! Fuck you, sir. Do shadows now. You can do whatever you want, except it. Yeah, you Jin main League of Legends cancel. I am not a Jin main. So what's wrong with playing League of Legends? Well, there are a lot of things wrong with playing League of Legends, but can we talk about that later? Hello, sir. Not my... What do you mean, not my streamer? Ow! Okay, what do you want? No, no, no. You fucking kidding me? Because I took too long, you serious? Come on, I'm pretty sure everyone here played League of Legends at least once. We recovered after? Well, I cannot recover, I'm a weak man. Hello, sir. No, don't shoot me. So why is he so durable? Finally. Okay, here we go. Should I? Should I clear that shortcut? Nah. Hey, I heard that. Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down my spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul until you're doomed tonight. Where the fuck is he? Oh, goodbye, sir. Let's make ourselves stinky for a while again. Should I go down? Hi, Subian. On the topic of stinky. Hey, why are you leaving? Am I lying? I don't know, Subian, I kind of doubt it. Come here, come here, come here. Wait, I have to check, I have to prove it. I'll stop playing League. I am not playing League. Okay, now you sound like my boyfriend. Take a shower. Well, go take a shower again. Oh god, my voice. Also, why do I sound drunk?
お主、ここを通りたいのか?
Yes.
そうなの? わし。
The fuck do you need? Do you mean more? How you doing, Subi? Oh god, the pain is coming back. Oh shit. Ow. Ow. Oh god, my poor foot. All of this just because I wanted to eat noodles when for lunch. Who saw me? Oh yeah, this is post Nobunaga. They have guns. Yeah, how's the cute dragon doing?
ただ勝つ殿はご無事であろうか。いや、あの方に限っては愛は不要か。
I just say that aiming with the controller is difficult. With the week assignments getting started on next week. Oh, I hope you're gonna clear a lot of free time with that. I'm literally just giving him a bunch of stabs to death. Which the class is probably over a week before we're supposed to. Easy. Hey! Don't point your gun at me. Wait. Where the fuck is he? What? What? Why should I? Well, that is not wrong. Nego rifle. Ooh. Okay, Heine, don't look. I'm gonna do something that you kind of hate. Ow! How did that one hit me? I was like half a meter away. Oh god, they're faster. It's okay, I'm giving him a slow and painful death. So why do the enemies have so much HP now? What level am I? 77? I guess I am under level. Oh, my frame rate. You know, I'm starting to wonder if my CPU is actually lagging behind at this point. Hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. Arrgh. 10 out of 10 name. It's okay, Heidi. It's in a better place. My EXP. No fucking way I reached the boss already. What? Who is that? Oh my. Oh shit. Huh. Okay. Huh. Also, this magic is fucking useless. Yeah, you're useless. You already knew that. Yeah, you. Yeah, you, the person listening to me. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Gracias. Why is that so fucking anime? This is an anime. Yeah, true. We even have the white hair man. We go down here. Wonder if there's another path, because I feel like I'm missing something around here. Hello, sir. Your haircut sucks, by the way. Why is there a stink bomb? What? Oh yeah, I haven't recovered my spirit. I forgot. Come on. That's my boyfriend, by the way. The man who said that quote, that's my boyfriend. Okay, that is just sad. Like big tongue boyfriends. Do you want me to answer that or not? What that tongue do? Whatever you want. Ooh. Oh shit. How do I get inside that place though? Yeah, I feel like I'm missing something here. But the tongue do? Wouldn't you want to know? Okay. You'll stand by that. I need content for my OnlyFans. Oh god. I actually sound gayer on English. Stop hitting me! Thank you. Okay, here we go. Get the dogs, get the dogs, get the dogs. We haven't had too many human bosses, right? Oh shit, I'm dead. Oh, bah. Thank you for the hydrate. You know, I still don't know why the emotes don't they are not animated on a Mix It Up. Am I missing something? Chat event logs, separate between messages, alternating background color, latest stuff, message timestamp, practice correct number. Hide user avatar, the role badge, private page tab. Badge. Okay, this is weird. You know what? I'm gonna solve it after stream. Also, I'm gonna need to be getting food soonish, so I'm gonna be leaving for a while. Fluffy, you're in charge. When that happens. Get food. I'm gonna do it later. Oh shit, I need to get more shit. Bluffing charge. Yeah. Yeah, is there a problem with it? So Heidi, why are you scattering? Look, Fluffy is a wimp. What is he gonna do to you? Please don't let him know that I said that. Oh shit! Oh my god, I lost all of my Amrita. Oh god, I lost my Amrita. Well, at least I got the dogs back. This is an alternate path, I guess. If I can just blitz through all of it. Wait, the human enemies don't respawn? Huh. Ow. Yeah, I'm dead. Oh god, my Tiranitus is fucking with my ear again. Ow! Ow! Okay, here we go. Wait, didn't I have a... Didn't I have an equipment that let me use magic faster or something like that? Omnia casting, there it is. Bonus for stopping amplita. Ooh. Okay, let's try again. Hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. Ow. Oh god, I lost the dog again. You know, crit protection, elixir effect on life recovery, dash speed, low attack damage. No, wait, I am not using ninjutsu, so let's go with the tiger. Any tiger zonas in the chat? Yes, now. You're gaining HP, really? I guess I'm gonna have to break these things. Come on. Oh my god! Did he just fucking throw a rock at me? Yeah, I'm dead. Ow. I don't think the tiger is that useful for this fight. Give me the tiger, give me the tiger, give it back, 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 give it back. Okay, got it. Stop throwing rocks at me. It's very, very rude. And we're getting an outbreak in around 3 minutes. Get ready. I'm gonna get food during that. Come on, kitty. Ow. Are you kidding me? Please don't tell him that I'm fighting someone that uses a deer. How much HP is he regaining? Ow. Oh. Okay, just take my time. You know what? Give me a moment, I'm gonna do something. Tap and a text. See you in a moment. Okay, I'm back. Say goodbye to Patrick. Hope you enjoyed that that intermission. I'm okay. I'm okay. Hey, don't scatter. What do you think I'm gonna do? Do you think I'm going to eat you or something? Because I will if I'm hungry enough. Ow! Sorry, Heini. I have to eat the mods. You know how they're my emergency supply. Yeah. I do think it only took me like 5 minutes to come back. Don't eat me. Yeah, that's Never's job. I'm sorry. Ow. What? Did I say something? Oh, fuck! You know what they say, Bringadera Day keeps the source Caesar. Oh my god. Oh, but I did it. I did not do it. Ow. Don't ask any questions, Suyan. You don't want to know. But the fact that you mean disconnected from the network. Oh, that is new. Ow. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Ow. Oh yeah, I have the fireball. Hey, hello, sir. Ow, fuck you, sir. Goodbye. Oh god. What is wrong with my throat today? Hey, who wants to be the pool? Oh my god. Why do I say the things that I say? You know, maybe somebody should just take my voice away. I never say something productive. That one is true. Ow! 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 What the fuck? Ahora. Ow. Stop! In the unhinged, my unhinged stream today, so I'm not used to the unhinged mode, which means good. Ow! Ow! Why is that still there? Goodbye. Showspeed is making a tour through Latin America. He was in Colombia. Don't remember who is that, sorry. Sorry, I'm not that... I don't know too much about internet personalities. Ow! Okay, that doesn't work. Then assignments to do today's week. Oh, university. Gotta love it. Gotta hate it. And I hate how that's going to be me in a few months. Ow! Slow down, buddy. Rock solid. Okay, we got the last one, we got the last one in. What? What? What?
それがしともあろうものが妖術なんぞに見入られるとはここで腹を切らん
Hey! You're not the one who's at fault here.
それがし
Really?
あやかしには歯が立たぬ三河武士とて同じことここは貴殿だけが頼りじゃ
What? What is that it? All I had to do to defeat the boss was... You kidding me? What? 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 Really? I guess you could say this is a shitty level. Get it? Get it? Because wait, can I go back? No. Oh.
なんじゃこっち部屋
Sir, how many balls do you want? Who even is that man? Like, by the way. Oh shit, they saw me. Easy. One down. Wait, he survived? How? How did he survive that? What? How? I got a poor woman. Rifle ammunition. Have another one of those. Hello, sir. Oh, goodbye, sir. I guess. Okay, don't get in there. I love how fast he is when swapping the ammunition.
家康様がゴルスの間にこのようだ面目次第もござらぬ
Hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. One down. I love how nobody just listens to my character. Oh shit, they saw me. Did I trap myself? Sir, can you fucking die already? Finally. How do they not... How do they not die when I How do they not die when they are killed? Oh, hello, sir. Goodbye, sir.
あの可憐なお姿、よもや根性のうちにまたまみえることができようとは。
Sorry, Heini. It was for the greater good. That is red, right? That is not red. Oh my god. This is what sucks about being colorblind. Well, we got a shrine at least. Hey, look! You ready, Heini? This is the sound that you love so much. How much do I have to climb on this level, by the way? Ooh! Kodama, 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 Kodama. Oh, of course she's also trolled. Ow, 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 ow. Oh god, this is going to be tough. Oh, da, 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 da. One second, just checking something. Hi, Sonny. Look who came crawling back. Come on, don't say that. We all love you here. Ah! Not the hot Asian wife. Yeah, how you doing, Sonny? Ow. 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 Stop kunaiing me so much. Causing chaos? Oh no. There we go. You know, at least this one doesn't heal. I think. Chicken kick? Oh god. Horny. Yeah. Let's be honest, Heine is always horny. Anyone? Oh god, that boat. Why do you guys let me say the things that I say? Ah. I don't think water is useful here, so let's go with fire. Ow. Ow. We let you say them because we are powerless to stop. Well, try harder then. Look, I just don't want to deal with the consequences of my actions, okay? Ow! Did all of them hit me? Ow! Okay, just stab the love interest. That's how you make a woman fall in love with you, right? Let them get possessed and then stab them to death. Oh, is that how it's going to be? Ow. Come on, cat. Ow. Oh my god, that fucking hurt. Why did that sound like the Pokemon victory theme? Like... What? Oh, I'm not the only one who heard that, right? Please tell me that I wasn't the only one. And... 1 second, I have to do something absolutely important. Life or death, even. Wow, why did the game go all crazy that there? And I'm back. Okay, here we go. Oh my god, I didn't see you. Okay, that cannot be blocked. Oh shit. Ow, ow. Ow, fuck. Come on. There we go, 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 there we go. Ow. Fuck, 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 fuck. I can do it, 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 I can do it. There we go. Again. Wait, did I interrupt the Guardian Spirit? Come on, come on, come on, come on, no! Come on. Ah, whoa, 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 whoa. Panda, I mean cat. Oh, I did it. Oh, I did it. See, that was easy.
Wake up.
Okay, that is here. Give me a moment to put my shirt on.
Why, hello there.
Oh, hello, sir.
Where is Sersha? This spirit is a remarkable servant.
But can you give me my waifu back? What do you mean, bitch?
そもそも女を死に取る者の言うことなど信じられるか。こいつがどうなってもいいのか。
Of course they went there.
What?
そう言うと思ってたわ。私に価値なんてないの。
Oh. I guess that's his spirit.
すでに目的は果たした。知らせが、三つ編み目が挙兵いたした。
Thank you for the hydrate. Kelly must have pretended to be after Lord Ieyasu to lure us east, giving him time to raise an army, and we fell for it. Hmm. You know what? I'm gonna do the boring part outside the stream. Proceed to next region. It is July 1600, and Ishida Mitsunari has raised his army. When word of this reached Ieyasu, he gathered his troops beneath Edo Castle. Among Ieyasu's forces, led by Honda Tadakatsu and Hattori Hanzo, Anjin can be seen together with the samurai who are in high spirit ahead of battle. How did he survive?
助けは無用。上杉を抑えた後、決戦へと向かわん。
Raccoon! Where am I getting the raccoon? I'm getting a fucking raccoon!
血を分けた家族を失おうと。死弱より使いし配下を失おうと。わしは歩みを止めるわけにはいかぬ。人の一生は重荷を負うて遠き道を行くがごとし。
Sir, you are justifying the killing of your own son. That's you're kind of fucked up.
Very well. I'm gonna save that stubborn old man.
Come on, did I get the raccoon? Did I get it? Did I get him? Did I get him? Come on, give me the raccoon, give me the raccoon. Come on. Narikama Tanuki obtained. Woo!
三成殿は全国に檄を飛ばし、家康様の留守を
Ooh, that is
徴兵いたした。
that illustration is pretty.
妻子らには強引にも人質に取られた者もいるらしい。いよいよ決戦が迫ってまいった。
Yorogumo, Nue, Hino, and Mount Ryokid, Terasu Tengu, Flying Bolt, Nurikabe. On you though. How many of these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Tony, One ID, Pamplita Pian. So, no. So, Tenkaichi Mother tener. Oh god, my nose. Ah. You know? You know how you... when you want to sneeze but you can't? Yeah, that's me right now. Ugh. Oh god. Oh god. Crap. Life recovery critical. Wait, what? Hmm. What is this? So you're headed... oh god, my voice. uh, uh, oh my god. So you're headed for Fushimi. I wish I could join you, but I am afraid Lord Ieyasu has forbidden me from helping Master Tori. I wish you both luck. Fushimi Castle, just outside of Kyoto, is where Overlord Toyotomi Hideyoshi spent his final days. In the tumult following Hideyoshi's death, Tokugawa Ieyasu took charge of it. But the moment Ieyasu departed on his campaign to destroy Uesugi, Ishida Mitsunari took the opportunity to raise an army. 14,000 men faced off against the troops of Torii Mototada, whom Ieyasu had left to guard Fushimi. Oh my god, my eyes!
Mitsunariめ、あやかしまでも使うとは。三河武士の意地を見せてくれるわ。
Fushimi Castle. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Don't touch the fire. Don't touch the fire. You will assume that it's basic, but don't touch the fire. Oh. Yeah. What the fuck? How big is the hitbox of that thing? Okay, I'm gonna allow the fried chicken joke. Just this once, because I deserve it. I wonder if I can... Doesn't work that way, I guess. Nope. It's Shiva's mom? Of course, he tends to be here a lot, to be honest. I appreciate her. Mother-in-law. Sorry if I'm not talking too much right now. What the fuck? Did you see that? What was that? Open from the other side, of course. That is new. Yeah, that one is new. What? What the fuck was that? Oh yeah, I need to change my my guardian spirit. What? There we go. Hey, keep your filthy gun away from me. There. Only I'm allowed to shoot. Okay, any eyes? Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking right now. My mood got really low for some reason out of nowhere. What the fuck is that? Is that thing wearing a... Is that monster wearing a fucking bomb? And I think I dropped myself. Goodbye, sir. Goodbye, sir. Never mind, he's still alive. Goodbye, sir. Oh god, why is it so hot? Why does it have to be summer? Oh, hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. Anything new? Anything new? Yes, no. Oh, hello, sir. This is red, right? Why is my room so hot? Why is everything so hot? Why am I so hot? Okay, I'm joking about the last one. I'm just very average looking. Oh my god. What was that? Is it how it feels when they attack me? I mean, when I attack them? I mean, from the distance. Oh, thank you. Right now I am literally hot though. Ah, idiot. There's the guy who cannot get a right angle to shoot at you either. Right there. I'm going to fry you. It's okay. Fried dog is actually, I don't know how good it is. Oops, wrong one. Hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. Why are you just standing like that? Got him. Oh god, not the bellies. Oops, drop my tummy emote. I really like that one day. Tiny, I have your belly right here. There. Do you like that, belly? Probably Shuri Among Us are though. Wouldn't be surprised. Hello, sir. Goodbye, sir. I said goodbye, sir. Are you fucking kidding me? I will. Oh shit, that almost killed me. Water. Studies like sometimes follow someone because their avatar is hot. Not really. It's not that weird. Is that the emote? I mean the buffer. I always forget they're using a new name. It's not that weird. Okay, I definitely need a flexi mode now. And I'm definitely gonna ask Abby Wilder if he's available for it. Pam, pararam, pam, pam, pararam, pam, Ba-da-da-dum. Toughness, ninjutsu power, golden. Let's go with this. Make a Roxyria rock emote. Oh my. Ooh, cannon. Buffer tier 3 me because it was. Wait, really? Oh, that is so nice of them. Are those claw marks? Maybe the triple D. Oh my god. On the topic of triple D. I mean, why did I say triple D? I wanted to say tier 3. Oh! Horny. Why is that move so fucking anime? What did I miss? Heine being Heine, me being a little depressed. You know, the usual. That guy just gonna be there. No, this is so No, don't bar for me. Heine. Yeah, sure. Never, never, ever, 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 never, never. Absolutely never, never, ever. Ooh, can I have a... Ooh, rifle. Yep, never. Can somebody give him a belly? Let's see how he reacts. Did he just fucking shoot me twice? Because you on stream you were okay because of your growth potion. Oh yeah! I remember that. Imagine getting called out by Whiskey and like. Listen. I'm listening. We're all listening. Not the first time he calls me. Easy. How the fuck do I get up there? Oh, my frame rate. You know, I was remembering. I changed the payment method on for Twitch. And I'm scared that I did something wrong. No fried chicken, no fried chicken. That I did something wrong. I mean, I want to believe everything is right, but you know, new method that obviously means I'm gonna be nervous about it until I actually see that it works. want to say something else. Fucking kidding me, another one. Have I said how much I hate those wheels? Ow! Oh god, I fucking hate them. Let me get some magic back. I don't realize Heine will sniff anything if given the chance. That's why we love him, let's be honest. We love our horny degenerate wolf. Okay, don't fall there. Okay, if it's another wheel, I swear I'm gonna time someone out. Stop shaking your ass in front of... When the fuck did I say that? What? I'm sorry, what? 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 I'm sorry, what? 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 Seems this door must be open from the other side. Oh, sorry for ignoring the ad break. We're a bit focused on this. Is there a way to get inside there? Sorry, no! Ow. You're gonna break Heine, you know. Okay, open from the other side. Oh shit. Oh, okay. Easy. He'll be fine. He needs some orange juice. No broken Heine. Goodbye, sir. Quality guards, by the way. My chest hurts. I think I have some heartburn. My heartburn. Uh,
我らここに死を得たり
That's a ninja.
殿のためこの刃を振るおうぞ
Goodbye, sir. Here, just a massage. You know, if you've seen Stardust Crusaders, there is a way to help with hard pains. But that's a spoiler for the final fight. But oh god, is this another ninja house? Oh god, can I just kill every wheel? Let Kaini give you both Kai a massage and they'll fall like a house of cards. But it will be funny. I want to break that wolf, okay? Wait, that sounds wrong. Of course, now we have a head and a wheel. Two of my favorite enemies of the game. I'm gonna blame Fluffy for that. What? 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 I'm sorry, what? If you can hear the dogs, I'm sorry. They're beyond my control. Kodama! Oh god, just fucking... Can I remove those little shits from the game? Fucking die already. Of course I have to be careful not to fall. Stop. Oh god. I got a shortcut at least. Hey! Goodbye. All dead. Oh, of course. You know, it's so hot here that I'm starting to get dizzy. Ow! Stop giving me so many heads. I already have a boyfriend for that. Thank you for the hydrate. 1 second. Oh, fuck. Sorry, I wasn't able to find my my water, my water. Sorry. Buff guy, Heine. Yeah, he's a Heine's a weak man. Don't blame him though. I also like buff men. That's why I want to become one. And I'm back. Hey, don't! Oh my god, that thing can explode. Also, is it me or these ones are more buff than the other monsters? This mod sadly got... Yeah, Heine's awake, man. I don't think there's any mod active right now. No mods, guys, sorry. Oh, okay. Ah! No, 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 fried chicken. Thank you, non-existent mod. Yeah, it's the spirit of a dragon that used to live with me. Used to live on this chat. Okay, that was hilarious, not gonna lie. Do I have to fight this guy to live with you? Of course, don't you remember? I never... Oh yeah, I saw the message from Lupin. I can probably be available for that. Oh shit, boss fight. Oh shit, he's hot.
あんたも運がないね。
Oh, I need him. I need him. I need him. I need it. 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 Yeah. Come on, come on. I need it. I need that. Why can't he fly? Why can't he teleport? Hey, yo. Oh god, I'm gonna have to make that trip all over. Goodbye, sir. Already made a Seigex animation with the new... You know, they probably had the animations ready and they just adjusted the models. Like a YCH, kind of like they read the animation and then just use that animation on the model of the skin. Oh god, do I have to fight that guy again? I'm about to be gaming. Really? Nice. Up. Up. Ow, wow, 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 wow. Ow, wow, 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 wow. Fucking die already. Hatsune Miku is in Fortnite. I don't care about Hatsune Miku. Just kidding. Even though I don't listen to her music, I do like her. Company. Yeah, on that topic, never. I'll probably be there after stream if I'm not too tired. Well, if Griff says is she the girl from Fortnite, I will. Oh my god. You know, all I know about Riff is that he appears on Whiskey streams. I don't actually watch him. And sadly, because most of the times he appears on Whiskey's channel is when he's playing like fast food sim. I don't know almost anything about him. I could join my gaming sessions. Yeah, I really want to play with you. That guy from Fortnite, oh my god. Ooh. 7, 96, 89, 55. One. There are a couple of streamers that are wired. Not how many times knows time because yeah. Dogos. Your streams are a lot of. Ah, thank you. I still want to improve the production values though. Hey yo. Basically, not like quiz levels, but ow! Oh my god, stop shooting at me! Only speaks the truth. Oh, gracias. You know, I hate when when I'm about to say something in English or in Spanish and I use the other language. Is it me or this guy is surprisingly easy? But he hits hard, but what? Yeah, like he does hit hard a lot, like really hard, but he's surprisingly easy for a boss. You notice that? When are we getting a crow? Help me unlock the second tier 3 emote and I'll do it. Because tier 3 is for suffering. It's a punishment. Ow! What was that you could repeat? Oh no. Wait, how do you unlock tier 3 emotes? Where the fuck did you come from? Oh shit, I'm gonna lose my amplifier, aren't I? You unlock what? My pot rank. Okay, I don't want to lose my head against these guys. Get it? Get it? Because you know, because they're floating heads. Get it? Get it? Oh, what do you mean, boo? My jokes are amazing, though. Ow! To be partner for more tier 3. Oh, got it. Honestly, if I become partner, I have no idea how I'm going to react. A lot of points, yeah. I get it though. I mean, I get the logic why. Ooh. Sí, porque igual el tema de que...
Okay, I believe you.
Porque como como el tier 3, igual es como... Habla español. Ya estoy hablando español. Sí, ¿por qué? Porque el tercer rango se llamaba en español. Igual como que no es muy común en canales así chicos como el mío. ¡Oh! ¡Au, au, 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 au! Por eso entiendo por qué te dan uno solo. ¿Am I? Ah, perdón. Y tía, mira, mi personaje está descalzo. Pero magia. Oh mi gota. Entrada. Stick bot. Hey, stop with your wounds, those are dangerous. Ow. Stop with the fucking creepers. I love how they also fall in slow motion. Okay. Okay. See, I told you this guy was easy. Also, can I have the crow? Can I have the crow? Can I have him? Can I have him? Please, 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 please. Please, can I have the bird? Oh my god, he's showing his chest.
やるね。引くぞ。
Wait, what? Wanna know something funny? Neo 2 is actually better than this one. Jollibee again refused to do anything about it. Go to sleep! No, wait, don't go to sleep. I need a mod.
This castle will fall. Run while you can.
何を言っておる。とうに覚悟は決めておる。侍は城を枕に討ち死にするのみ。
Why is the music so good?
お主は感動より逃げい。わしの道連れはお主ではない。こやつらとあやかしどもじゃ。早く行かんか。お国人の争いはお主が肩をつけい。殿の手を煩わせるでないわ。
Kaini must not be mod.
い最後の夜、殿とは今生の別れになることは分かっておったが、幼き頃より今川武田という芸にも恐ろしき者たちと共に戦った間なら、
Never you
今
hear.
更言葉など入り申さぬ。殿が太平の世、浄土より見守らん。
Oh. Oh shit, he died. And he will accidentally turn on shield mode and spend the... That is true. It's dangerously easy to enable shield mode, to be honest. Like, you literally only have to press 2 things by accident. Do you have any idea how many times I've been about to enable shield mode on Thunder and Ruxiria? Oh no, Heine, I will still be able to time you out. Remember the command Heine? That is handled through Sami. That means it's handled through my account. And because I'm the channel owner, I can time out the mods. What is shield mode exactly? It's like super lockdown mode for the chat. Like everything is on the highest security. Yeah. Ooh. Thank you, Sobian. Just time you at temporary mode. Oh no! But yeah, I quit as a mod for Thunder, by the way. Wait. Okay, when I read Jagyu, I thought it was going to be the other one. And I got worried because Jagyu... I mean... Jagyu Moninori is like one of the best swordsmen of all time. Why? Personal reasons mostly. Ow! I really wanted to, but Suyan sniped. Ow. Can you imagine stabbing someone with a wooden sword? Like, how fucking good do you have to be to do that? Oh, I have super armor when I do that. Nice. Can you use that with a wooden sword? No, I'm beating him with a wooden sword. Ow. Ah, okay. I promise I'm gonna defeat this guy. Do I have magic? Yeah, I'm dead. Ah, why can't I run when I do the EI Jutsu? Oh god, my eyes! 1 second. Want to share something on Discord? And we back. Okay, how fucking difficult can it be to defeat this guy? Oh shit, I'm gonna die. I'm looking at nudes during the stream. I am not looking at nudes. Remember the raccoon that I unlocked? I was sharing it with someone on Discord. What? There we go. Oh shit, I have almost 0 HP. Can you stop slapping me with your sword? Ow, 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 ow. Come on, I can do it, 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 I can do it. Ow! More people one-on-one in Discord, I really do it with like 2 people. It's difficult, you know? Why did I... Could have sworn I chose the wrong emote, what? Talking one-on-one is really difficult, to be honest. Even with my boyfriends, it's tough for me. Yeah, I lost this one. Hello, Kerb! Find it easy to talk to one-on-one. Yeah, well, there's a reason why you're together, I guess. Ow! In my case, it's just I cannot talk like too often, like maintain a conversation. It's a problem that Meshi and I have. Whenever we're in like in a call, it's like we say like 3 lines, then we're silent for I don't know 5 minutes. Ow! What your interest or ask him about what's... Yeah, but the thing is like I just stop talking, like that's what happens. Okay, that doesn't work. Ow, too early. Ow. You know, now that I think about it, this is just him bonking me non-stop. Also, kick, flip step, A quick draw, Morning Moon. Sort of discernment. This is in video games use a real electricity function. You know, I wasn't really sure about that. You know, this is a surprisingly fit old man, to be honest. I'm sorry, it's both old men are kind of my weakness, okay? Ow. Can you stop picking me? Easy. Easy. Wait, what? Oh yeah, and on Neo 2 you can also design your own character. I actually already opened the game to like start to make it. Those are hogs. Read the emote. Thank you, Kitty. Superb. The way of the sword is perfected when sword and zen are one. When a myriad of things are united, the esoteric techniques of the Shinkage school. I hereby transmit to you. I pray that the next time we meet, we can fight as two longswordmen and nothing more. Mystic art, mystic art, mystic art. I need 7 points, really. Having the neck is not a hog. I disagree, and what the fuck, level 103? Are you kidding me? What? But I'm level 79, by the way. Let anyone touch you, Ariel? Yeah, that's understandable. Physical contact is scary. You know, I'm debating right now if I want to continue the stream or leave this for next week and grind a lot. It is in brain tonight, it is in fact doing a no. Oh, it's one of those days. So what do you guys prefer? One last mission? Or do I end the stream here? $88, $91, $79, $84. Do 5 more. Huh. You know what? Yeah, I think I'm gonna grind the off-stream. Going to spend channel points on it. No, I need a rest, and I also want to play with friends today later, so... Thank you so much for watching today, and... Is the RTX still on? What? Why has it not changed already? What? Did I fuck something? Oh, there it is. For some reason No, wait. It's a special occasion. Ow. Fuck you. No, I disabled it by accident. I disabled the the swap back to the regular one by accident. My bad. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Ow. Suya, can you stop making me bald? Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be back tomorrow with... Ow! Wait, Yuni's still up? What the fuck? I'll be back tomorrow with Mega Man CX Advent. Remember, we finished Mega Man CX. Oh god, I'm running out of Mega Man. But I still have a Mega Man Battle Network on that topic. Yeah. Can you stop making... You know, it's Tuesdays. You know what that means. Mega Man X2. Yeah, but I have to buy it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate the fact that you take the time of your day to spend it with me. I wouldn't be doing this without you. See you all tomorrow at 6 p.m. EST. I mean 4 p.m. EST. And goodbye.